This video is going to help us get into Quizizz, our unit reviews for our chapters or our units. So first off, we'll click Modules, and then we will scroll down. Once again, I'll use this unit. So we click Unit 1. Well, I'll tell you what, we'll click Unit 2. And then I'll scroll down and I'll look, and at the bottom of this page there is Quizizz. So we will click Quizizz. This page will pop up. And so what I have done is I've taken pictures of this because just to save us some time here. So this is the page you will see, and you'll see right here where it says join my quiz. So you click this, and I put a game code down here. They all come with game codes in case you need that, but typically if you click join my quiz, it takes you right to the game board. Your game board should look something like this. Okay, and so then you just click start game. You'll play the game. When you finish the game, and by the way, there's all kinds of little extra credit stuff built into this game if you take advantage of it. But when you finish the game, I will need you to take a screenshot of the whole page. If you notice in this page, you can see the number of correct answers I have versus the number of incorrect answers, and you can see unattempted answers. So I need this because this is telling me basically what quizzes it is, because all the quizzes have different numbers on them. So this quiz had 25 questions versus some of them that have 30, 35, and then it tells me if you attempted to play them or not. So unfortunately, it doesn't have the name of the quiz, but I can go through Quizizz and look. I have a grade book in Quizizz that show me if you took the game or not. So I need this screenshot. This is a correct version of what I need you to send to me. This will be an incorrect version. So if you send this to me, or any version of this, I don't see the checked, I don't see the attempted, the completed, and the correct and incorrect. So all I see here is a grade, and you will get no credit for this. So once again, you won't get any credit for just showing me the grade. I need this picture. I need the picture with your name on it. I need the picture with the grade, and I need the picture with the correct, incorrect, unattempted. So once you do this, once you fill this out, then we go to the submit phase. So I pulled up another Quizizz review to show you how to submit it. What you do is you will take your screenshotted grade, like mine was pretty good grade there. I think it was 100. But basically I go to submit assignment, top right hand corner. As I click on submit assignment, I cruise down here to where it says choose file. You will choose your saved Quizizz file, whatever you choose to title it. So I will do Quizizz screenshot, and then I submit assignment. It's as easy as that. So hopefully this helps you out a little bit on how to use Quizizz through Canvas in Mr. Holloman's class.